Hey Travis kiddos, let's do some word work and some sentence structure today. Let's start with our sentence structure. So when we look at sentences or when we write them, we want to make sure that it's a complete sentence with all the things we need in it. So let's look at these sentences and see if we can figure out what's wrong. The first sentence, stop that dog. What do you think's missing from this sentence? I noticed two things that are missing from this sentence. Can you find some? When I look at this sentence, I notice that the S is not a capital. We need a capital S to start our sentence. A sentence always starts with a capital, so let's fix that. We're going to change it from lowercase s to an uppercase S. Stop that dog. Now, there's something else that's missing. What's missing from the end? We need some punctuation. Now, this could be a statement or it could be an exclamation. Stop that dog! Sounds like an exclamation to me. So we need an exclamation point or an exclamation mark. So now our sentence is complete. Stop that dog. Let's see if we can fix the next one. Is school fun for you? Is that a complete sentence yet? It's missing a couple of things. The grammar works well, but we need to check, let's see, the beginning of the sentence. We had to change this one to a capital S. Do we need to change this again? We need a capital I. Always starting with a capital at the beginning of the sentence. Is school fun for you? Now, that doesn't sound like a statement to me. That doesn't sound like an exclamation to me either. That is a question, something that someone wants to know the answer to. Is school fun for you? You're asking a question, so we need a question mark at the end. Good, now that sentence looks pretty good. She can kick her legs. What do you notice we need to fix for this one? Can you find the two things? We need a capital to start at the beginning of the sentence, and we need some punctuation at the end. Is this a statement, an exclamation, or a question? This is a statement. She can kick her legs, so we can put a period at the end of that statement. How about the last one? Can you skip? Can you figure out what we need to do? We need to fix the C at the beginning. We need a capital to start, and we need some punctuation at the end. Can you skip? Is that a statement, an exclamation, or a question? That's a question, so we need a question mark. Can you skip? Now our sentences are complete. Stop that dog. Is school fun for you? She can kick her legs. Can you skip? Now those sentences are complete. Let's move on to some word work. Today's word work is listening to 3 words and figuring out which word does not belong and trying to tell why. So if I said the words crawl, drop, crib, crawl, drop, crib, which word does not belong and why? Drop does not belong. Crawl and crib both start with cr. So drop does not. Crawl and crib belong. Drop does not. Let's do some together and then I'll let you do some on your own. How about in the words grin, gross, truth? Grin, gross, truth. Which word does not belong and why? Truth does not belong. Grin and gross both start with gr, grin, gross. Truth starts with tr, that is not gr, so it does not belong. Next 3 words. Skip, slot, scare. Skip, slot, scare. Which one doesn't belong? That one's tricky because they all start with S, but skip and scare both start with sk. Slot starts with sl, so that one does not belong. How about these three? Black, trip, trot. Black, trip, trot. Which one does not belong? Black does not belong. Trip and trot both start with tr. Black starts with bl, so that one does not belong. Let's see if you can do the last three on your own. We've done this game before, so you should be able to do it. Here are the words. Spot, spin, swarm. Spot, spin, swarm. Which word does not belong and why? How about these? Crop, brag, crash. Crop, brag, crash. Which word does not belong? Here's the last one. Trap, frog, try. Trap, frog, try. Which one doesn't belong and why? Were you able to figure all those out? I hope so. Have fun with all of that. Check your sentences for capitals and punctuation, and happy learning.